Today we're making high school me happy by doing some DIY projects that look so brutal that even the metal band Demubor Gear would be jealous. This is our 170-piece cone spike set. This DIY craft decoration makes it super easy to customize your clothing to your own personal style. The pack comes shipped to your door with a baggie of large spikes, medium cones, as well as smaller cones. It also comes with a baggie of hardware to lock down your spikes. To connect them together, simply get one of the screws and screw it into the back of the cone. You could puncture a little hole in clothing and slide the screw through one side and lock the cone in place. These spikes are made out of a zinc alloy which protects it from fading. The bigger spikes are actually kinda sharp too. I personally got these to make a pair of DIY Crocs. The holes were slightly too big, so I had to use hot glue, but I still think they look hilarious. I can't wait to wear them shopping. I had a lot of leftover cones too, so I've been finding little projects here and there to use them on. It helps add a little personal flair to your flairless items for sure. I have so many projects in mind for these cones, and if it's your style, these cones might just be perfect for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go rock my Crocs around the block. See ya.